Hey everybody, it's Brian over at Showcase Agency. If you're a first-time home buyer, you might wonder, well, what can you do if you're buying a home and the home needs some repairs, but the seller won't do anything to fix those repairs, right? So what can you do? Well, a lot of that's going to depend on your purchase contract. So do you have a home inspection contingency, or do you not have a home inspection contingency? Remember, your contingency is your safety net for your earnest money. Anytime you remove your contingency, you remove a safety net, then you're putting your earnest money at risk. So let's take a look at that side of the equation first. If you got a home inspection done anyway, even though you don't have a contingency, and you can do that, you have a right to do that. So let's say that you don't have a home inspection contingency, but you got an inspection report completed. There's a lot of stuff that you're not happy with. You can go to the seller, and you can ask for either a price reduction, you can ask for a seller credit, and the seller may accept your offer, or they may not, or they may meet somewhere in the middle. If they don't agree to anything, you're still in escrow on that property. So if you want to cancel, you would have to cancel, and then it's likely that you would not receive a full refund of your earnest money, since in this example you did not have a appraisal contingency. Let's say you did have an appraisal contingency. The seller doesn't want to do any repairs. As long as the contingency is in place, you can cancel, and you'd be able to get a refund of your earnest money, unless there was some kind of language in the contract that said otherwise, but standard would be for you to get your earnest money back. Same thing goes if you ask the seller for repairs and they don't want to do it, you can continue with the transaction if you like. But obviously, if you have the appraisal contingency in place, it's going to protect you more. So hope you found this helpful. You can find a lot more home buying guidance for every step of the 9 steps to buying a home, and you can find it on our YouTube channel at showcaseyoutube.com.